Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block ads on Android phones easily. So if you're tired of annoying ads popping up while browsing, using apps or playing games, in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you the easiest way to block ads on your Android phone. So there are three methods that you can do to block ads from from any apps or browser. The first one is you can turn off or block the ads on Google. So you can just find your Google account here, click on your photo profile and tap on manage your Google account. And in here, tap on the data and privacy. Now you can just scroll down until you find this personalized ads section. Then just go to the My Ads Center. Click on it. And at the very top, you can see this is the personalized ads. You can just click on it, then just turn it off. Okay, now you can move to the second step. So the second method, you can disable the ads from Chrome. So you can open the Google Chrome. And now just tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and go to the Chrome settings. And once you're in the Chrome setting, you can just scroll down until you find the site settings. Click on that and then just scroll down again until you find the content section and click on this intrusive ads. Okay, so you need to make sure that this is off. As you guys can see, I've already turned it off. So now ads are blocked on site known to show intrusive or misleading ads. Okay, now you can go back still on the site settings. You can here click on this pop-ups and redirects option, and you need to also make sure this is off, so the Chrome will block sites from showing up pop-ups and redirects. And the last one, you can turn off by using the settings on your phone. So go to the app settings, sorry, the settings app, and then here click on this network and internet. And now click on this private DNS, and here choose this one, private DNS provider hostname, and you can enter this ones right here, DNS .@guard.com. Now tap on save, and that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.